What if some of the biggest mysteries of space aren't just unsolved, but maybe even unsolvable? Today we're diving into the most baffling, mind-bending, and scientifically confounding space phenomena ever discovered. Cosmic puzzles that defy logic, break physics, and challenge everything we think we know about the universe. From disappearing stars, to signals from deep space, to invisible matter holding entire galaxies together, these mysteries are the closest humanity has come to confronting the unknown. Let's begin. 1. Dark matter, the invisible skeleton of the universe. Imagine looking at a galaxy spinning so fast that by all laws of physics, it should fling itself apart, yet it stays perfectly intact. Why? Because something unseen is holding it together. Dark matter makes up the majority of the universe's mass, yet we cannot see it, touch it, or detect it directly. Scientists only know it exists because of its gravitational effects. It bends light, it binds galaxies, it shapes the universe, but no one knows what it is. Some believe dark matter could be an undiscovered particle, others think it could be a completely new form of physics, and there's an even wilder theory: dark matter might be made of invisible primordial black holes scattered across the cosmos. Whatever the answer, the mystery remains one of the biggest puzzles in modern astronomy. 2. Dark energy, the force tearing the universe apart. If dark matter holds the universe together, dark energy is doing the opposite. It's the mysterious force causing the universe to expand faster and faster over time, not just expanding, accelerating. That means something is overpowering gravity on a cosmic scale. No one knows how, no one knows why. Some theories say dark energy is a property of space itself, others suggest it's an unknown cosmic fluid, and some physicists believe it could signal a flaw in Einstein's equations. Whatever it is, dark energy makes up most of the universe, yet remains utterly unexplained. 3. Fast radio bursts. Messages from the void. Every once in a while, Earth is blasted with an ultra-powerful burst of radio energy from deep space. These bursts last less than a millisecond, but release more energy than the sun emits in days. Some come from distant galaxies billions of light years away. Some repeat. Some have never been detected again. And then there are the weirdest ones, FRBS, that flash in patterns, almost like signals. Scientists have proposed everything from collapsing stars to magnetars. And yes, even hypothetical alien megastructures. But the truth, nobody knows. 4. Tabby's star, the star that keeps getting stranger. When astronomers first observed this star, they noticed something no one had ever seen before. Its brightness randomly dims by huge amounts, sometimes by 20%, with no clear pattern. Stars don't do that. Theories exploded. Dust clouds? Maybe. Comets? Possibly. A broken planet? Could be. But then came the theory that electrified the world, a partial Dyson sphere, a hypothetical megastructure built by an advanced civilization, and there's no proof of that, but the star remains one of the strangest objects ever recorded. 5. Black holes, the monsters of space-time. We understand black holes, but only barely. A black hole forms when a massive star collapses into a point so dense that not even light can escape. But here's the mystery. What happens inside? At the center, physics predicts a singularity, a point of infinite density. Infinite. That shouldn't exist. Even stranger, black holes leak energy through a process called Hawking radiation and can eventually evaporate. But where does the information about what fell in actually go? This problem is so large that it may require entirely new physics to solve. 6. The Great Attractor, something is pulling our galaxy. The Milky Way and thousands of other galaxies are moving toward a specific region of space at incredible speed. Astronomers call it the Great Attractor, but here's the impossible part. We can't see what's pulling us. The region is blocked by the plane of our own galaxy, filled with dust and stars that obscure our view. Some think it's a dense cluster of galaxies. Others believe it's something even larger, a supercluster of unimaginable mass. Whatever it is, we're moving toward it at over 1,000,000 miles per hour. 7. The cold spot, a bruise on the universe. There's a massive cold region in the cosmic microwave background, the leftover radiation from the Big Bang. It's so unusually cold that it shouldn't exist based on current physics. Some scientists think it could be the imprint of a gigantic void, a region of space with almost no galaxies. But others have proposed a far stranger possibility, a collision with another universe. If true, it would mean our universe once bumped into a parallel reality, leaving a scar across the cosmos. 8. Rogue planets, worlds without suns. Picture a planet drifting through the darkness with no star, no orbit, and no solar system. A world frozen, alone, and endlessly wandering. There may be billions of these rogue planets drifting through our galaxy, but the real mystery is how many and how they formed. Some might have been ejected from their solar systems, others might have formed in the dark. Even stranger, some theories suggest these planets could host subsurface oceans and possibly even life without needing a sun at all. 9. The Hubble tension, when the universe doesn't add up. We measure the expansion of the universe in multiple ways, but here's the problem. Each method gives a different answer. In science, when experiments don't agree, something is wrong with our theory. This problem has become so severe that researchers now believe our entire understanding of cosmology may need rewriting. Some think early dark energy might be responsible. Others believe it hints at a flaw in the Big Bang model itself. This isn't just a mystery, it's a cosmic contradiction. 10. The odd radio circles, perfect rings in deep space. Astronomers recently discovered enormous circular rings of radio energy floating alone in the cosmos. They're gigantic, bigger than entire galaxies, and they appear as glowing, near-perfect circles. What creates them? No one knows. They don't match supernovae. They don't match black hole explosions. They don't match anything we've seen before. Some theories suggest ancient galactic collisions. Others propose unknown cosmic events unlike anything understood. Until more are discovered, these circles remain one of astronomy's biggest modern mysteries. 11. Vanishing stars, disappearing without a trace. In multiple observations, stars have been recorded and then completely vanished. Not exploded, not collapsed into black holes, just gone. If a star collapses without a supernova, that would rewrite stellar physics. But some believe these disappearances could be signs of hyper-advanced civilizations dismantling stars for energy. We don't have proof, but we also don't have an explanation. 12. The Pioneer anomaly, spacecraft behaving wrongly. For decades, 2 spacecraft have been drifting slightly off their expected paths. Not by much, but enough to confuse physicists worldwide. Some believed it hinted at new physics or unknown gravitational effects. Others thought it was a measurement error. Eventually, partial explanations emerged, but some irregularities remain unexplained, keeping the anomaly alive as a space mystery that refuses to fully die. 13. Gamma ray bursts, the most violent explosions ever seen. Gamma ray bursts release more energy in seconds than our sun will release in its entire lifetime. But what triggers them? Some originate from collapsing stars. Others come from merging neutron stars. But a third category, super long duration bursts, has no confirmed explanation. These events can last thousands of seconds, and their energy output suggests unknown cosmic processes. Some scientists theorize exotic stars or magnetized collapses. Others believe they may be linked to births of black holes, unlike any known type. 14. Cosmic rays, particles from beyond the galaxy. Earth is constantly bombarded by high-energy particles traveling near the speed of light. But some cosmic rays are so powerful that nothing in our galaxy could have created them. They must come from outside. Theories point to active galactic nuclei, collisions of black holes, unknown cosmic accelerators, even theoretical decays of dark matter. But until we identify the source, high-energy cosmic rays remain one of the strangest unsolved mysteries of deep space. 15. The WOW signal, a 72-second mystery. In a quiet night of radio observation, scientists picked up a strong, clear, unexplained signal from space. It lasted 72 seconds and was never heard again. Was it a natural anomaly? A cosmic event, a signal from an intelligent civilization. The source has never been found, leaving the WOW signal as one of the most tantalizing mysteries in SETI history. The universe is vast, ancient, and filled with puzzles that defy imagination. Every time we learn something new, 10 more mysteries appear. But that's what makes space so endlessly fascinating. Which of these unsolved space phenomena captured your imagination the most? Tell me in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the universe's greatest mysteries, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications.